Chakan with the Littlefish Foundation, and today I'll be presenting to you our FUND8 project closeout for our proposal, Littlefish Coordinating Action. Starting off with the Littlefish Foundation, we're originally an unfunded F7 proposal. We wanted to build a Kiva-like DAO with a focus on Sustainable Development Goals activism. We didn't get funded, but we kept going. We're a global community. We're completely open source. And through that process of trying to build that Kiva-like DAO, we realized that decentralized work was great, but there are many problems that we could solve. And that's why we shifted to this area in FUND8. So our proposal is Littlefish Coordinating Action is in FUND8. It's in the dApps and Integrations Challenge for $43,500. The problem we try to solve is no tools on Cardano that meets the needs of distributed communities, coordinating and rewarding action in decentralized groups. Or, as we boiled it down to in our white paper, how do we incentivize action towards common goals? This is the solution we came up with. This we call the Littlefish action model. Let's define some terms first. Littlefish are individuals. It's each and every one of us. Colonies are groups of littlefish. So think decentralized projects. When we say colonies, as the Littlefish Foundation, we are the first colony. Action is the proof of activity. This is the critical bit. These are NFTs documenting any event that takes the goals of the colony further. So for the Littlefish Foundation, that means writing the white paper, creating presentations, doing those presentations, running meetings, taking notes during meetings, writing code. All of those can be documented with images, videos, any documentation, and then can be turned into NFTs called actions. And then you can sell those actions. They can be bought internally or externally. And no matter the case, buying those actions will incentivize the littlefish and the colony for further action. And that is what we've been building with this FUND7 proposal. The first key metric that we defined for ourselves in this proposal was the implementation of features. And we did a pretty good job. Here we list all the features that we developed. First, we can mint actions, action NFTs. We have an action gallery for the littlefish and the colonies. We can go browse through the colonies. We can sell and buy actions for our colonies. We can have members. We can display the actions created by colony members. We have a colony wallet and a colony dashboard for information like Discord, Telegram members, that kind of thing. And we have for the littlefish, they can become colony members. They can create actions, buy actions. And of course, they have their own gallery to display all the actions that they own. And the only missing features are these three. The first one is a gamified UI UX based on the adventures of Littlefish. This was kind of an overpromise. Design right now, it doesn't matter too much. What matters is getting that MVP functionality. So we just put this to the side. The second is something that we could have implemented, but we chose not to, which is direct donations to colonies. This kind of goes against our own goals here. We want individuals to buy and sell actions. If they're sending money directly, but they're not buying actions. So we chose not to implement for now. The third is reward sharing for action sales. And this is a critical thing that we want to implement. We want each action sale to reward multiple participants rather than just the person who's selling it. But we need some time and research and development effort and some real hard work on token engineering that we need to do in order to implement it. So this was an overpromise. But mostly we've delivered everything we promised. And now I'm going to pass it along to the developer team to show you what it looks like in action.
Now we will do the demo of our MVP project. As you can see, this is our dashboard. We will welcome you here. This is our Littlefish Foundation. You can see the actions here created by some Littlefish members. Let's go to here. Then we can actually have colonies. This is our wallet ID. Let's pick an image here, the Genesis, and let's say that I'm the Burak Littlefish owner, and our action name is the Genesis. We have software developing as an action type. Description is let there be marketplace. Littlefish Foundation. Yeah, as you can see, the Genesis arrived. Then actually we can buy this Genesis NFT. And to buy, let's switch to another wallet. We have Littlefish test wallet here with test ADA. That's right. Yeah, the buy payment link is ready. Let's click here. And yeah, let's sign this. Yeah, it takes some time. since this transaction have to be confirmed, and since this is testnet, once we finish this transaction, we can actually see it on the blockchain explorer here using the transaction hash. Yeah, as you can see that we have successfully purchased the item and search it on the ADA tools, because this works on the old testnet, which is currently we are in. And as you can see, we can see the transaction and we can see the genesis here, our NFT, our action. And let's wait a little bit more to see. Yeah, as you can see, this is our action we have minted using our Littlefish marketplace, and we have successfully conducted the transaction. You can see it on the testnet, and you can see the transaction hash here. Thanks for listening.
So, what is next for Littlefish? What's next is actually using the platform we built to produce action that take Littlefish Foundation to the next level. In FUND8, we have 7 different proposals, and within those proposals, we have many different types of work. We have development work, we have research work, community-based work, organizational work, and even legal work. So the only way we do all of this is to utilize the tool that we've built with this proposal and activate our community to produce actions that take us to completing all of these proposals. That means that community members go and research some of the things that we have outlined in these proposals, that they take initiative to complete these proposals. So that is what is next for Littlefish. And during that process, while we produce all the action using our own system, we'll be the users of our system. And this is great for us because we'll be able to iterate our product very quickly and improve upon it, make it serve our needs, and thus serve the needs of digital communities everywhere. And once we feel like we're at a place where we can share this tool, where we feel like it is a good tool that everybody can use, then we'll start sharing it with communities that we're close with, getting new colonies on board, and then expanding the Littlefish Foundation. And that's what's next for Littlefish. If you're interested in any of this, we're an open community and we would love to have you on board. So just find us on Discord, say hi, and become a Littlefish. So thank you.